Hello learners! It's great to see you again. Today, we will explore how to read and interpret line graphs. We have learned how to read data from picture graphs and bar graphs. Today, we'll learn another way to show data using line graphs. Let us look at this line graph. It shows how the amount of rainfall in city X changed over 6 months. In this graph, we can see that the vertical y-axis shows the amount of rainfall, measured in millimeters. The horizontal x-axis shows the month, from January to June. How can we use the line graph to find the amount of rainfall in each month? To find the rainfall in January, we find January on the horizontal axis. Then, we go up vertically until we reach the point on the graph, then move horizontally to the left until we reach the vertical axis. Since the number on the vertical axis for January is 20, this means that in January, there was 20 millimeters of rainfall. In February, there was 40 millimeters of rainfall. In March, there was 90 millimeters of rainfall. What was the amount of rainfall in April, May, and June? Pause and discuss with your friend. In April, there was 50 millimeters of rainfall. In May, there was 40 millimeters of rainfall. In June, there was 10 millimeters of rainfall. Did you get it right? Line graphs are useful for us to describe patterns or trends over a period of time. From our line graph, we can see that rainfall was highest in March and lowest in June. It also shows that rainfall increased from January to March, then decreased from March to June. Today we have learned how to read and interpret line graphs. Great job on completing this video. Hope to see you again.